Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up a website on Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I am on my dashboard, and the one thing you're going to need to set up a website is, of course, the website module. You can set this up while you're setting up your account. You can choose this module, and if you're using the free version, you have access to only 8 modules at a time, so keep that in mind. But if you didn't set it up while you were setting up your account, don't worry, you can just go into apps and you can search for the website module right over here. And once you've accessed it and once you have set the module up, just enter it. And as you can see, you have your site, you have your e-commerce, reporting and configuration. And what you're going to need to do to create your site is pretty much just click edit in the top right. And here you have access to a block builder, not dissimilar from other block builders such as Squarespace, Wix, what else, WordPress, etc. So it is very similar to those and very easy to use. The UI is very user friendly, so all you need to do is just choose whichever blocks you might want. You can also choose the theme that you want. As you can see, you can change the colors, the light and dark colors, the main colors. You can choose from color presets. You can change other things. You can also modify your SEO, but that is in a different place. And yeah, pretty much what you need to do is just choose whichever block you want, just drag it in your desired location, then you can click on it to customize it through the customize menu. You can change the link, for example, in the button. In the case of the button, you can change the color, layout, etc. And yeah, pretty much you just need to build your website, and once you're done with that, you just click save in the top right. And as you can see, you can set a page title and optimize the SEO. You'll get the alert if you haven't done that already. But other than that, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.